Dust on the saddle, boots worn thin, riding through the plains where dreams begin. The sun sinking low paints the sky in gold. A cowboy's heart carries stories untold. The cattle call echoes, the coyotes cry underneath the blanket of a lonesome sky. The ranch lights flicker, a beacon so faint, but her face in my mind is a picture I paint. Wide open plains where the wild winds roam. A saddle's my pillow, the stars my home, but her shadow rides with me. Her voice in the breeze, unrequited love is a heart's disease. Fence posts stand crooked, the wind's bitter tune. The night brings a chill beneath the pale moon. The fire crackles low, but it don't keep me warm. Not like her touch could, soft and forlorn.